In today's video, I'll show you how to add a tag in Bitbucket, step by step in the simplest way possible. This guide is perfect for beginners, so no prior experience is needed. First, open your browser and go to the Bitbucket website. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, create a free account to get started. Once you're logged in, open the repository where you want to add a tag. From your repository dashboard, find and click on the Commits section. This will show you a list of all the commits in your project. Now, select the specific commit you want to tag. After opening that commit, look for the tag or label icon in the Commit Details area. Click on it, then choose the option to create a new tag. Enter a clear and simple tag name, and if you want, add a short description to explain what the tag is for. When you're done, click Create. That's it. Your tag is now attached to that commit. You can click on the tag to view it, and you can also filter commits using tags to quickly find important versions of your code. And that's how you add a tag in Bitbucket. Share this video and subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly tutorials.